So this is our chair that's upholstered, but it has lived a lot of life. As you can see, it's like when people's heads are sitting there, dogs sit here, obviously, all the things. So we're gonna cover it up with this washable cover. So we're gonna take off this part of the chair. Yeah, it's got little tabs, show you where to put stuff. Love that. Just gotta trust the process.
Back cover.
Yes. Yeah, I would put it over the top first. And please excuse the chewing and crunching in the background. Yeah, it's working. Nice. Yes. Yeah, you just slip it on, kind of like a pillowcase. And it goes all the way down the back of the chair. So the upholstery is completely covered up. So this cover becomes the color of the chair. Comes in tons of shades. Tuck it in. Yeah. Comes with these 2 pieces of styrofoam to really tuck it in deep so it stays in place. Nice. Now you can see the shape of the chair. All right, so we got the cushion part of the cover. It has like 2 little ears. Slip on. Nice. Easier than putting a shirt on a toddler. Get all the wrinkles out. And it's like a brand new chair. Ta-da! You can put this in the wash and in the dryer, which we just did, which is why we're putting it back on the chair.